Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, good morning everyone. This is Cooking Appa. This is Friday morning about 8:30. Today I wake up late. I wanted to come to my usual place to buy some seafood. I just saw, luckily it is open today because today is actually the second day of Hari Raya. Oh, by the way, Selamat Hari Raya to all my Muslim followers, yeah? So I can see them right now. Luckily they are open. Let me show you. Can you see? Drizzling. Hopefully still have some fish for me. This is a 白点 white spot. Meat very tender. Stingray looks pretty good. Silver prawn fruit. He already finished most of the fish. If you really want to get good fish, you have to come very early, like between 6:30 to 7:30. Not much left, but still I can get some. 老板，这个是白点是吧？啊，对啊，这个白点。给我一条啊。Not sure if you can see this. This is the bigger type of Siakap Barramundi, and it is extremely good because you can see the refreshing colors, like rainbowish color on the meat. Can you see that? Not sure if you can see through the camera, but the moment you see this kind of reflection bite, it is extremely nice, and the meat will be even the skin will be super crispy when you deep fry it. There's some prawn and some flower crab left. Okay, the prawn doesn't look as good. Probably you can tell by you can see the head is actually coming up a little bit. The prawn is not as good today.这条是什么来的？
昂嘎嗲。
什么啊？
昂嘎嗲。
昂嘎嗲啊！
那个昂嘎嗲，好像切粥这样子啊。
好像虾轴这样子啊。
虾轴的红粥啊，类似红粥这样子啊。
很大只哦，类似红粥啊。是不是有什么看到过？
比较少有。水拿一个。好，175。
Do you see the reflection color?
Lagi satu salapnya dua.
Ini satu, dua. 还有那个什么，帮我切一片给我。
来一个。
这个小哥给我切一片给我。全部多少？85了。这个鱼头怎样算啊？
鱼头24进来。这个24，然后这红头20。这个
什么鱼头？
龙虎斑。
这个是龙虎斑的鱼头啊。24啊。可以了，来给我了。24 ringgit for this fish head. Tiger grouper. 全部多少钱？ 109啊 ，OK。I told him his prawn not so nice today, and then he took out another bag. This is actually much nicer. 68 ringgit per kg. Looks really good. I'm going to get some. Okay, very quickly, Abba bought some. Abba bought a shakap cutlet and one snapper, one white spot. You should try white spot. White spot actually, the meat is super tender, almost 70% like a low shiban, but the price is much cheaper. I think probably about 40 over ringgit per kg. Okay, so and then Appa managed to brought some prawn at the end of the day. Initially, like I said, the one I saw over there, left over there, doesn't look as good. But then I told him, then he took out another pack. So, but this one really looks very good. 68 ringgit, but XXL size, good size. Appa bought almost about 1 kg. Okay, so thank you for watching my video today. If you like to see this kind of video, do let Appa know. Leave your comment inside the comment section. Appa will be making more this kind of video for you to see. Alright, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Oh my god, the rain is getting bigger. Okay, go to run. Bye bye.